Hi guys, welcome to WikiTutor. In this video we are going to talk about 5 animals with an unexpected color. Animals are the most wonderful things that nature offers us. There are many animal species that have very unusual shapes and colors. The particular coloration can warn of its dangerousness, serve to disguise itself from predators, imitate another species, or to find a partner. The more flashy they are, the more we are attracted to them. Today we have collected some information about 5 animals that we are used to seeing of a different coloring. So before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive every upload. So let's start the video. Number 1. Purple sea snail, Janthina janthina. This particular species of snail is a holoplanktonic sea snail, a marine gastropod mollusk of the Apitonidia family. Its common names include purple sea snail, common purple snail, large purple snail, and purple storm snail. Black rooster, Kadaknath. This particular species of chicken is also called Kalimasi. Black flushed poultry. It is an Indian breed of chicken. The origin of this species comes from Dhar and Jhabua, Madhya Pradesh. These birds are mostly bred by rural and tribal populations. There are 3 varieties: Raven black, golden, and pencil. The meat of this breed has geographical indication GI tag, which was approved by the Indian government on July 30th, 2018. Indian white peacock. The Indian peacock is a bird belonging to the Phasianidae family. This particular species of peacock has a completely white coat. The tail of the male resembles as gorgeous lace. However, this species has a weak point: excessive inbreeding. This makes it susceptible to disease and unstable climate. Blue lobster, Hemarus gemmarus, also known as European lobster and with the local name of sea elephant, lupicant sea wolf. It is a decapod crustacean belonging to Nephropedia family. Bluish in color with yellow patches on the back and light belly. This crustacean lives on underwater rocks and can reach half a meter in length, but common specimens measure from 30 to 40 centimeters. The lobster is present in the eastern part of Atlantic Ocean from northwestern Norway to the Azores and Morocco. Its presence is common throughout the Mediterranean and northwest of the Black Sea and Baltic Sea. Peacock mantis shrimp, Odontocdyctis cyrillus, also known as mantis shrimp, peacock mantis, painted mantis, or harlequin mantis. It is a saltwater crustacean belonging to Odontocdylidae family. The peacock shrimp has the characteristic of being multicolored usually having a mainly green color, orange legs with leopard spots as well as on the interior carapace. So friends, I'm sure you liked the video. Stay tuned for more amazing content. See you guys in another exciting video. Thank you so much.